Hello everyone, my name is Kalima. I'm a property specialist at MIRA Real Estate, and right now I will answer the most often asked questions by my investors and clients. Let's go! It depends on the area, location, and time you watch this video. For example, a couple years ago, one-bedroom apartment price was for $180,000, but now the same apartment costs already $230,000 plus. You're not likely to compromise when purchasing a home for yourself, so prices start at $250,000. For renting out, you can find apartments for $210,000. Central locations now cost $6,800 per square meter, or about $330,000 for a studio and about $5,100 for one bedroom. Speaking about real estate, you may have heard that there is no income tax on rent or resale. As for businesses, the tax rate is 9% if the income exceeds $102,000 per year. More detailed calculations can be provided by specialists in our MIRA Business Services company. The first option is the off-plan. It's when an investor buys a project under construction. In this case, there is no agency commission according to the initial agreement with the development company. The second option is the secondary market. It's when an investor purchases either a ready property or an off-plan which is ready for resale. In this case, the standard commission is 2-3%, but it can vary depending on the project. Also, we don't charge for Zoom meetings, consultations, transaction support, and so many other things, because even after the deal is closed, our work is not finished. Of course, it depends on the personality. Actually, I'm talking about myself, and I never leave the clients after the deal is closed. So, in August 2021, my colleague sold a one-bedroom apartment in Palace Beach Residences in Amar beachfront for $494,000 for flipping purposes, for resale. And after 60% payment completion, which was around $309,000 in May 2024, after 2 years, 9 months, we sold this property for $681,000. So by then, the prices in the market grew to 28%. So from invested $309,000 amount, we did plus $187,000 more, meaning the profit of 61%. So there are many other successful deals, such as apartments increasing in 30% margin already, and villas and many other deals, but my investors are not willing to sell yet. Buying real estate is as easy as ordering delivery from a restaurant. You only need a passport, email address, and a physical address for document delivery, and I will personally assist you with everything else. In short, the process looks like this. Property reservation deposit, usually ranging from $10,000 to $20,000. Then comes the first payment, which we call the down payment. Usually it's 20% plus 4%, where 4% is a one-time fee to the land department. After that, you will receive the SPA, Sales and Purchase Agreement. You can sign this original document at the sales office of the developer, or you can receive SPA to your preferred location by the delivery. Within 3 to 6 months, you will receive the ACUD document confirming your ownership rights if the building is still under construction. And then the final document you receive after 100% payment, when the building is completed, is called the title deed. Since 2008, the government has guaranteed investor safety through the mandatory opening of escrow accounts for construction companies. Firstly, escrow account is a third party, usually a government bank, that holds the buyer's funds until the building is completed, and the developer will not receive these funds until then. Secondly, there is the land department. If the developer cannot complete the project for some reason, bids will be opened and another construction company will complete it. After purchase, you have several scenarios to consider. First scenario is wait for construction to finish and rent it out for average 8 to 12% passive income. You can manage the rental yourself or delegate it to a property management company such as our MIRA Holiday Homes. Second scenario is flipping, meaning reselling before construction complete. as I mentioned before in my case. And this option is the most profitable investment. Third scenario is buying property, which is a ready property. It allows you to earn rental income immediately, 8 to 12% average. The downside is that you need to have the full amount of the property cost. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and we will answer them in our next video. I'm Kalimam, a real estate specialist at MIRA Estate. Until next time!